Ready to travel smarter? Discover the top 5 best carry-on luggage options that combine style, durability, and effortless mobility. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a weekend adventurer, these game-changing carry-ons are designed to make your journey smoother and more organized. Let's dive in. Number 1. SwissGear Hardside Expandable Luggage. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and functional luggage set that can handle all your travel needs, the SwissGear Hardside Expandable Luggage is a top contender. With 3 different sizes, 18-inch, 23, and 27, this set is perfect for anything from weekend getaways to extended vacations. Designed with durability and convenience in mind, it features 360-degree spinner wheels, a built-in cup holder, and a rugged ABS construction that ensures your belongings stay protected. Plus, with a 10-year warranty, you can travel with confidence, knowing your luggage is built to last. Why choose SwissGear Hardside Luggage? This 3-piece expandable luggage set is all about smart packing. The expandable compartments offer extra space when needed, while the lightweight yet tough ABS shell keeps your belongings safe. The 4 multidirectional spinner wheels make maneuvering through airports a breeze, and the retractable mold lift handles provide added convenience. One standout feature is the patented built-in cup holder, giving you a free hand while waiting at the airport. With over 125 years of Swiss engineering, SwissGear delivers premium quality that's often imitated but never equaled. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, this luggage set is a solid investment in hassle-free travel. Number 2. Briggs & Riley Baseline Spinner Luggage. For travelers who demand premium quality, Briggs & Riley Baseline Spinner Luggage is a game-changer. Engineered for both business and leisure trips, this suitcase combines cutting-edge innovation with timeless durability. Its standout CX expansion system lets you increase packing space with a simple touch, while the outsider handle design ensures a perfectly flat interior for wrinkle-free packing. With smart features like a tri-fold garment folder, a power pocket for on-the-go charging, and a discreet speed-through pocket, this luggage is built to make travel seamless. Why choose the Briggs & Riley Baseline Spinner? This luggage is all about efficiency and elegance. The outsider handle keeps the interior flat, so you can pack more and minimize wrinkles. Need extra space? The One-Touch CX expansion system lets you easily expand and compress the suitcase when needed. The tri-fold garment folder keeps your suits pristine, and the power pocket allows for easy device charging on the move. Thoughtful extras like the hideaway ID tag and speed-through pocket add security and convenience. Briggs & Riley is known for its unparalleled craftsmanship and lifetime performance guarantee, making this spinner luggage a must-have for savvy, style-conscious travelers. Number 3. Level 8 Gibraltar Carry-On Luggage. The Level 8 Gibraltar Carry-On Luggage is a premium travel companion designed for durability, security, and style. Crafted from a full aluminum magnesium alloy hard shell, it resists high temperatures up to 1800, ensuring long-lasting performance while meeting aviation requirements. This makes it an excellent choice for frequent travelers looking for a robust yet lightweight carry-on. Despite its minimalist design, the luggage offers a spacious interior with double-sided packing compartments and removable pockets, making organization effortless. The zipperless design, secured with dual TSA-approved locks, adds an extra layer of security for international travel. For seamless mobility, the Gibraltar carry-on features 360 degrees double spinner wheels and a telescoping handle, allowing smooth navigation through airports and crowded spaces. Additionally, reinforced metal corner guards and side bumper feet provide enhanced protection against impact. With an overall dimension of 22 inches by 15 inches by 8.5 inches, including wheels and handles, and a lightweight build of 10.14 pounds, it offers a 36L packing capacity, ideal for business trips or short getaways. For travelers who prioritize security, durability, and elegance, the Level 8 Gibraltar carry-on is a top-tier choice that seamlessly blends functionality with sophistication. Number 4. Yeti Crossroads Carry-On Luggage. The Yeti Crossroads carry-on luggage is designed for the traveler who values both durability and versatility. Made from rugged tough-skin nylon, this 22-inch carry-on is built to withstand the harshest travel conditions, from dirt and grime to mud and rough handling. Whether you're trekking through busy airports or navigating rugged terrain, this luggage is up for the challenge. The modular compression straps give you complete control over your packing. You can use them both internally and externally to compress your belongings and optimize space, ensuring you never overpack again. With a 40-liter capacity, the Crossroads offers plenty of room for all your essentials without sacrificing organization. An interior pocket divider panel keeps everything neatly separated, so you won't lose track of your gear while on the move. With measurements of 22 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches and an empty weight of just 7.54 pounds, the Crossroads is compact yet spacious enough for a few days' worth of travel. It's the ideal choice for those who want a reliable, no-fuss bag that can handle the roughest conditions while keeping your belongings secure and accessible. For anyone looking for a tough, reliable, and functional carry-on, the Yeti Crossroads is a must-have travel companion. Number 5. Tach Hard Shell 3-Piece Luggage Set. The Tach Hard Shell 3-Piece Luggage Set offers a proven design with new features to make your travel seamless and efficient. The patented Tach connecting system allows you to connect up to 9 bags in seconds, eliminating the need for external attachments. Whether used individually or as a solid unit, the durable hard case glides smoothly over any surface, making it easy to navigate through airports or train stations. With new double wheels, the Tach version 3.1 ensures a smooth, stress-free journey, allowing for increased weight capacity while maintaining excellent maneuverability. The adjustable pulling strap distributes weight evenly, reducing strain and making it easier to travel longer distances. The set's flat-top design is perfect for carrying your handheld items like a purse, jacket, or even a stroller. Plus, 2 charger ports and a power bank pocket help keep your devices charged throughout your trip. With Tach Luggage, you'll save time and money by handling multiple bags with ease, no need to rent a cart or juggle your luggage. Travel smarter and more efficiently with the Tach Hard Shell 3-Piece Luggage Set.